professionally or on hobby circuits, if you don't have an inductance meter to measure your coil, learning these values and actually making your projects work can become quite a problem. In this project, we will solve this problem by building an inductance meter together. Here. It's definitely a project, a measuring tool you should have on hand. Let's start our project now. Enjoy watching and have fun. There are very few components on the circuit. In this way, the chance of failure is kept to a minimum, while easily available materials and an effective project are combined with a small number of components. I placed the Arduino and integrated circuit on the PCB using removable sockets. In this way, it is both easy to replace in case of failure, and these components can be used in different projects if needed. Therefore, you can take these materials from here and use them in another project. The important thing is to have the board and software ready. To keep the video short, I will skip these parts quickly. In this way, we will show you the project in working order quickly. As you can see, the soldering process is complete, and we will now place our Arduino with the software installed in its place on the circuit board after the LM339. Altium develop. Unleash the power. Product creation powered by Altium without limits. Altium develop is a solution specifically designed for electronic product manufacturing that brings together the best features of Altium Designer and Altium 365 in a single environment for simultaneous collaboration. Close teams collaborate with a mix of meetings, emails, and disparate tools, and it usually works, but it's slow and prone to errors. Altium Develop is different. It brings all collaborators together under one roof and minimizes errors by monitoring the workflow and creation process simultaneously and providing feedback. Access Altium Develop using the link in the video description and feel free to try it at it. We have installed the necessary software on the Arduino. I skipped this part to avoid unnecessarily extending the video. You can find the GERBER file, the software, library, and circuit diagram you need to install on the Arduino in the video description. After connecting the LCD and Arduino, we add the screws that will be attached to our screen to their correct places. Then we can proceed to test our project. We have thus completed another project that I think will be useful for you. Yeah. To support me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can also support me by liking and sharing my videos. In the description section of the video, you can find the circuit, diagram, GERBER file, and Arduino code along with the libraries for the project. Until our next video and project, goodbye.
No.